Happy Monday, scholars. Welcome back to another math lesson with Mrs. Bowen. All right, I just want to go ahead and let you all know that this is our last week of learning. And this week I will just be doing some review lessons to just go over some things that we've already learned this year, but that I want you to review because you're going to see a lot of this in first grade in the next upcoming months, all right? So for today's I can statement, it's I can solve word problems, addition and subtraction. I can solve addition word problems, which means that I'll be adding that plus sign, and I can solve subtraction word problems, which means that I'll be taking away. Word problems, remember, do require you to read. You're going to need to carefully read your problems and try and figure out if you're adding or subtracting. It will tell you in the word problem if you're adding or subtracting. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you and let's get started. For today's math lesson, if you have a whiteboard and a marker or a piece of scratch paper, go ahead and get that out so you can follow along with me. Also, any manipulatives that you want to use, if you have cubes, Legos, food, anything you want, go ahead and get that out and let's get started. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and we're ready to get the last week of learning started. All right, let me get you on my ladybug and get started. Okay, so remember your I can statement. I can solve addition, which means we're adding that plus sign, or subtraction, which means we're taking away using our word problems, okay? So I have my whiteboard today. That's all I'm using to kind of go over things. And today's word problem is Sam has 12 apples. He gave 7 away to his friends. How many apples does Sam have left? I'm going to read that again to you. It's always good to reread your word problems twice so you can remember what's going on. Sam has 12 apples. I'm going to circle the 12 because I know that that's an important number that we're starting with. He gave 7 away to his friends. So if he gave 7 away, that means he no longer has them. So that means, you got it, we're subtracting. He gave 7 away to his friends. How many apples does Sam have left? Well, Miss Bowen is going to draw some apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 apples. You should too. Now, Sam gave away 7. So that means that they're gone. We're going to put an X on them. X. Everybody hold up your X. You're going to take it away. Let's put X's on 7 of our apples because Sam wanted to share with his friends and he gave away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many apples does Sam have left? Let's count them together. How many of his apples do not have X's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples are left. But wait, we're not finished. We need to write a number sentence to match our word problem. So, how do we write a number sentence to match our word problem? Well, we start up here with how many apples Sam had. He had 12, and we drew 12. And then Sam gave away how many? That's right, you remembered. He gave away 7 apples because we put an X on 7 of our apples. So you have to do the takeaway sign and then 7. How many does Sam have left now? Which means now we need to know what it equals. Well, we said he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So our number sentence would be 12 take away 7 equals 5. You can draw your picture to match your word problem, or you can use manipulatives. Let me show you. Some of us sometimes need to feel it, right? Just drawing it, we can see it, but then sometimes we need to feel it to know. So I'm going to use cubes, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, those are Sam's 12 apples. And remember, how many did he give away to his friends? That's right, he gave away 7. So I'm going to take away 7 of my cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many does Sam have left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how you check your work to know if you did it correctly. Here he had 5 left, and also in your number sentence you did 12 take away 7 equals 5. Awesome. Let us look at one more word problem, but this time we're going to be adding in our word problem, okay? So let's do Jenny. Jenny has 10 pizzas. Jenny wants 5 more pizzas because she's going to have friends over, so she needs more. How many pizzas does Jenny have now? Well, let's draw it out. Jenny has 10 pizzas. I'm going to go ahead and draw my pizzas, 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are Jenny's 10 pizzas. But remember, Jenny wants 5 more pizzas because she's going to have friends over. So I'm going to go ahead and give Jenny 5 more pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pizzas does Jenny have now altogether? Well, I'm going to need to add here because she started with 10 and she's going to get 5 more. So remember, I'm adding. So let's put our 10 and our 5 all together now to see how many she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I count 15. Did you count 15? I hope you did. Now, it's time to write our number sentence. Remember, we're adding. To begin our number sentence, remember we have to think about what Jenny started with, which was 10. She started with 10 pizzas. But then remember, she added more, our addition sign. How many more? That's right, 5 more. Because she wanted to have some friends over and she needed more pizza. So 10 plus 5 equals, remember how many Jenny had all together? 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. You can draw it out or you can use your manipulatives like we spoke about earlier to check your work. I'm going to show you with the manipulatives very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to add 5 more for Jenny. Uh-oh, I lost some cubes. Now I'm going to add 5 more for Jenny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use markers. I ran out of cubes. Okay, so 10 cubes plus 5 equals 15. Let's check our work to make sure that it matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That was the answer we got here. Does it match? Yes, it does. That's how you know if you did it correctly. All right, I'm going to go ahead and clear my board. Today on our math work, you will be solving word problems. When you're solving those word problems, remember that you might be adding or subtracting in those word problems. It's important to take your time and read it and know what you're doing. Okay, you can do it. I know that you all can. We've done this before. Just remember your goal and your I can statement. I can solve word problems using addition or subtraction. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful Monday. See you Wednesday. Bye.